Hi, I'm Josh. I'm here at ATS to talk about box trap. So box trap is a bracket that allows you to put metal back boxes in a closed wall or dry lining wall. Any size back box you can think of, it will do. It is one size bracket. So for example, if you got the big media plates, you can just go diagonal on the corners and it provides you that fixing point. If you go the deeper boxes, the 47mm back boxes, you can bend the corners in and then it gives you the additional depth for the 47mm back box. If it's a double back box, you can just turn the bracket vertically and it will give you the fixing point. This bracket is useful for things like if you ever sort of too close to a metal stud or a wooden stud, you can just literally turn the bracket vertically. You can go diagonal. Any position you can think of. If you got a bank of sockets, you just use 3 brackets. In new builds, if you use the traditional method of a telescopic bracket, when you do your testing, you get your earth parallel paths, which is bonding your metal, let's say, socket with a light switch, so you can't get accurate readings of the cabling itself. With this bracket, it isolates completely from the metal work, which then gives you the accurate reading when you do your testing. In addition, for new builds, you wouldn't get sort of clashes with the buffer box. So a buffer box is something that sort of maintains the fire integrity of a party wall. So with the traditional method at the moment, you're sort of fixing and it's clashing with the buffer box. This completely avoids those clashes and it provides a more integral fire-rated wall because of the bracket. The bracket has been fire tested, it's been pull tested. So these 2 fixing points here, we've done a pull test, sort of checking how strong those 2 fixings are from the back, pulling the bracket off the wall, and that on a single layer plasterboard that held 40 kilos, and on 2 layers of plasterboard that held 80 kilos. We also did a pull test from the front to sort of simulate unplugging a socket. On a single layer plasterboard, it held 80 kilos. It was the strongest bracket in the market because we also tested the dry lining back box and the telescopic bracket, and then that had the best results. If you're an electrical contractor and working in new builds, this will speed up your installations, provide a better finish, a stronger finish, a flush finish. You can get this at its.co.uk.